In this video, I'll break down the top 5 laser engravers and which laser engraver I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best laser engraver and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Comgrow Z1. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers professional-grade precision with its 10-watt optical power output, making it capable of cleanly cutting through 15mm basswood and engraving detailed designs on materials like leather, acrylic, and anodized metal. Its integrated air assist system minimizes scorch marks while enhancing cutting efficiency, particularly noticeable when working with darker woods or intricate patterns. The machine's 400mm by 430mm workspace accommodates larger projects without sacrificing the sharpness of fine lines or text down to 0.1mm accuracy. Safety features such as the emergency stop button, flame-resistant enclosure, and protective orange acrylic cover provide peace of mind during extended operations. Compatibility with Lightburn software allows advanced users to optimize speed and power settings for different materials, while the built-in preview camera helps align designs precisely. Though moderately noisy at full power, its consistent performance across varied surfaces and the ability to maintain focus through automatic height adjustment make it a versatile tool for both hobbyists and small-scale production. At number 4, we have the longer Ray 5. The Ray 5 stands out with its robust 20-watt laser module, delivering significantly faster engraving speeds compared to standard diode models while maintaining crisp detail on materials like wood, stainless steel, and anodized aluminum. Its advanced autofocus system automatically adjusts the lens height for consistent results across uneven surfaces, streamlining workflow for both flat and curved projects. The machine's proprietary colorizing function enables striking oxidation effects on untreated metals, expanding creative possibilities without additional coatings. Users appreciate the integrated safety suite featuring real-time flame detection and emergency stop protocols, particularly valuable during extended unattended sessions. With plug-and-play compatibility for Lightburn software and responsive air assist integration, this engraver balances professional-grade power with approachable operation. The tool-free assembly design and rigid aluminum frame ensure stability during high-speed jobs, handling materials up to 100mm thick without compromising precision. At number 3, we have the xTool F1 Ultra. The F1 Ultra delivers professional-grade laser performance in a streamlined package, combining a robust 20-watt dual laser system for versatile material handling. Its hybrid design merges a 10-watt diode laser with a 10-watt infrared module, enabling precise engraving on everything from anodized aluminum to tempered glass while cutting through 15mm hardwood effortlessly. The 10,000mm per second acceleration ensures rapid project completion without sacrificing detail resolution, producing crisp lines finer than human hair strands. Built-in air assist maintains clean edges during cutting operations while reducing smoke interference, and the enclosed safety design automatically halts operation when opened. Users appreciate the tool-free focus adjustment system that simplifies material swaps, along with the integrated camera for real-time alignment checks. Compatibility with industry-standard software streamlines workflow integration, making it equally accessible for hobbyists and small-scale manufacturers seeking industrial-capable results. At number 2, we have the Creality Falcon2. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its powerful 22-watt CO2 laser, delivering faster engraving speeds and deeper cuts compared to standard diode models while maintaining impressive detail on materials from wood to stainless steel. Its autofocus system automatically adjusts the laser head height for consistent results across uneven surfaces, and the included rotary attachment unlocks creative possibilities for cylindrical objects like tumblers and glasses. The machine's 0.01mm precision ensures razor-sharp engravings, whether etching intricate designs or cutting through 10mm acrylic sheets in a single pass. Safety features like the fully enclosed design with viewing window and emergency stop button provide peace of mind during operation, while compatibility with popular software like Lightburn allows both beginners and professionals to achieve polished results without steep learning curves. What truly impresses is the near-silent stepper motor system, which keeps noise levels surprisingly low even during extended sessions, a practical advantage for home workshops. The tool-free quick-change lens system makes swapping between 50mm and 110mm focal length lenses effortless, adapting quickly to different project requirements. With its combination of raw power delivering 300mm per second engraving speeds and user-friendly touches like magnetic door latches and built-in cable management, this machine bridges the gap between industrial capability and approachable design, letting creators focus on their craft rather than equipment limitations. At number 1, we have the xTool P2S. This is the best laser engraver you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and is a standout choice for its impressive 55-watt CO2 laser, delivering fast engraving speeds of up to 600mm per second and the ability to cut through thick materials like 20mm acrylic and 18mm black walnut in a single pass. Its advanced features such as dual 16-megapixel cameras and a LiDAR ranging system provide precise autofocus and accurate positioning, ensuring error-free results. The machine's auto pass-through technology allows for seamless processing of extra-long materials up to 2997mm, making it ideal for large-scale projects. Additionally, the P2S offers enhanced airflow with a dual-cylinder air pump, delivering 200 kilopascals of air pressure for cleaner cuts and improved efficiency. Its 3D curve engraving capability and batch processing 2.0 feature expand creative possibilities, enabling precise engraving on curved surfaces and varied designs in a single batch. With its robust build, easy maintenance, and advanced features, the xTool P2S is a versatile and powerful tool for both professionals and hobbyists, excelling in handling a wide range of materials and project sizes. So that sums up my top 5 laser engravers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.